Now in question number 3, we are using the property R1 change R1 plus 9 times R2. Then what will happen? R1 ये चेंज होना है, R1 में R2 का 9 गुना ऐड होना है। 9 7 जा 63 प्लस 2 63, 9 8 जा 72 प्लस 3 75, 9 8 जा 9 9 जा 81 प्लस 5 86. Row 2 and row 3 remain same. 7 8 9 65 75 86. Here we see that column 1 and column 3 are identical. Therefore, the whole determinant is 0. Now in question number 4, first step 1 BC 1 1 CA AB. We kept column 1 column 2 same, and now multiplying A with in bracket, B in bracket and C in bracket. So AB plus AC, BC plus AB, CA plus BC. In second step, we are using the property row 3 no, it is column 3. Column 3 is changed with column 3 plus column 2. Now what will happen? 1 BC 1 CA 1 AB. Column 1 column 2 keep same. Now adding column 2 and column 3, we get AB plus BC plus CA. Again AB plus BC plus CA. Last AB plus BC plus CA. Now this is equal to, taking common, AB plus BC plus CA from column 3. This is AB plus BC plus CA. This is 1 1 1 BC CA AB. This is 1 1 1. When we take common, this will wrap this. Now here we see that column 1 and column 3 are identical. So therefore AB plus BC plus CA, the value of this determinant is 0. Now multiplying this term with 0, you get 0, which is equal to RHS. So dear students, you have to learn the properties, and where these properties are applicable, you have to be applied. By practice, you learn. Now in question 5, we have to show that this determinant is equal to 2 times of this determinant. This is a very important question. So here the first step is R1 change R1 plus R2 plus R3. So it becomes, when you add row 1 to row 2 to row 3, this becomes A, B, B to B, A to B, 2A, C, C to C. So taking 2 common, A plus B plus C, here 2 P plus Q plus R, and here 2X plus Y plus Z. Only row 1 is changed. Row 2, row 3 remains same. C plus A, R plus P, Z plus X. A plus B, P plus Q, X plus Y. Now taking 2 common, you will write here 2 as common from row 1, left with a plus b plus c, p plus q plus r, x plus y plus z, c plus a, r plus p, z plus x, a plus b, p plus q, x plus y. Now subtract, we are changing row 2 and row 3. How will you change? Row 2 is to be changed row 2 minus row 1, and row 3 will change row 3 minus row 1. When you apply this property, so row 1 is not changed. A plus b plus c, p plus q plus r, x plus y plus z. रो 2 माइनस रो 1, इसमें से इसे घटाओ, c कैंसिल हो जाएगा, a कैंसिल हो जाएगा और b का साइन चेंज हो जाएगा. ये ऊपर रखना है, ये नीचे रखना है. जब सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे सो यू विल गेट ओनली माइनस b. इसमें से इसे सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे माइनस q, इसमें से इसे सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे माइनस y. सिमिलरली रो 3 में से रो 1 सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे, यू विल लेफ्ट विद माइनस c, माइनस r, माइनस z. Now again I am applying the property row 1 change, row 1 plus row 2 plus row 3. See what will come when you add row 1, row 2, row 3. B cancel with B, C cancel with minus C, so you left with only A minus B minus C. Here you left with P minus Q minus R, left with X minus Y minus Z. Now multiplying row 2 by minus 1, row 2 multiply with row 2 change. How will you row 2 change? Row 2 multiply with minus 1, row 3 will you change, row 3 also multiply with minus 1. Then what will you get? 2 is common, 2 was common, so 2 left with here. APX, APX multiply with minus 1, you will left with B, Q, Y. Multiply this with minus C, R, Z. Or you may apply one more. Take minus 1 as common from row 2. This is minus. Take minus 1 from common from row 3. This is also minus. Minus minus becomes again plus. So this is the RHS. Now in question number 6, determinants of this term, you have to prove that this is equal to 0. Here you suppose, consider it to be a determinants of A equal to this, taking minus 1 common from each term, each row, not term, each row. That is row 1, row 2 and row 3. Then what will happen? Minus taking minus 1 from this common and minus 1 from this one. The sign will change. Minus is common, so 0, minus A, minus B, minus common, A, 0, C, minus common, minus B, minus C, 0. So determinants of A, when you multiply this term, this is minus 1 and this is again 0, minus A, minus B, A, 0, C, minus B, minus C, 0. Now interchange the rows and column of the determinants. There is no effect on the property. So determinants of A equal to minus, interchange the row and column. So 0 minus A minus B, A 0 C minus B minus C 0. So I am taking minus common from this, minus common from this, and minus common from this. Here I think minus sign was there. So this is minus B. When I'm taking the common, this becomes plus. Changing the rows and column, this is plus. So when we can take minus 1 common from here, so 0 minus A, and this is plus P. Now here minus 1 remains as it is, and now in this we are interchange rows and column. So 0 minus A plus B, 0 minus A plus B, B minus C 0, B minus C 0. Now you see that this again there is some problem in this question. I am doing it again. I think I have copied the wrong sum. There was minus, not plus. So again, let us consider to be A at A. So determinants of A equal to 0, A minus B, minus A 0 minus C, B C 0. Taking minus common from each row. So this is determinants of A equal to 0 minus A plus B plus A 0 plus C. Don't you have to write plus. This is minus B minus C and 0. You have taken minus common from each row, so there will be minus 1 whole raised to the power 3, because one time, second time and third time. Now determinants of A equal to minus 1 ka whole cube minus 1. This you have to copy only. 0 minus A B, A 0 C minus B minus C 0. Now I am interchange rows and columns. Then determinants of A equal to minus 1, 0 minus AB, 0 minus A B, this is A0C, A0C, this is minus B minus C and 0. Now you show this, you see that minus 1 is minus, and this 0 A minus B again becomes determinants of A. So when this come to this side, this determinants of A plus determinants of A equal to 0. 2 times determinants of A equal to 0. So determinants of A equal to 0 by 2. So determinants of A equal to 0. So this whole value is come out to be 0 only. Now dear students, you have to complete question number 1 to 7. I have done question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You will try yourself. If there is any problem, you can ask me.